Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Fairfield County, northern Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, Westchester County in southeastern New York, Rockland County in southeastern New York, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:44 p.m., showers and thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds were located along a line extending from New Yorktown Heights to near Upper Nyack to near Nanuet, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Tarrytown and Mount Kisco around 6:50 p.m. Dobbs Ferry and Hawthorne around 6:55 p.m. Yonkers and Stamford around 7 p.m. New Rochelle and White around 7:05 p.m. Norwalk and Port Chester around 7:10 p.m. Westport around 7:15 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.